morning everybody. Today we are going to take up a lesson for pre-primary. It's an activity related to water. Water. Let us know how important water is for us. Water has many uses, we all know that. For example, first and foremost use of water is drinking. We drink water to quench our thirst. There are many other uses of water than quenching our thirst. Number one, we can water the plants in the garden so as to make them grow. Then we can use water for cooking. Our mama use water for cooking the food, washing the vegetables. Our papa washes car with the help of water. We have to wash our hands all the time. When we eat food or maybe after eating the food, we need to wash our hands. We take bath every morning before coming to school. Mama washes clothes with the help of water. So without water, there is no life. But you know what is happening these days? People, they are spoiling the water. If somebody troubles us, we feel very bad. Same way, water also feels bad. If we spoil the water, water will feel really bad. Now let us begin an activity related to water. How people are spoiling water these days. This is an empty bowl. Now I am pouring some water into it. God has given water to us to make its positive uses. But people are spoiling the water. Let us see how they are going to spoil it. Many times we see that on the sides of the river, at the banks of the river, people wash clothes. Many rocks and stones are lying at the sides of the rivers. And when the water flows, stones also flow through it. And whenever air blows, dust, sand, everything comes and enters the water, which makes the water so dirty. See, you know, people are also throwing waste material in the water, in the river, in the ponds to make them dirty. See, this is the way they are making it dirty. Very bad, it's really bad. They throw wrappers, feathers, paper, foil pieces. Leaves can also fall down in the water to make it dirty. See, are we liking it? It is really looking so bad. How easy to make water so dirty. Just see, I am putting some more trash into it, some more dirt into it, some more dust into it. Let me mix it all well. Do you think it is easy to clean this water now? In order to drink water, we need to clean it. As we cannot live without drinking water. Let us try cleaning it now. It is very easy to take out these big pieces of trash from the water and making it clean. Let us see how easy it is. I am not able to clean it anymore. Let me use some strainer. Yeah, I was able to take out the pencil shavings, the big wrappers. But what about the mud which has got dissolved in the water? Will I be able to clean this? Oh, I have now cleaned the water. This is what I was able to clean. Now can we have this water now? Can we drink this water? Can we take bath from this water? Or can we wash our hands with this water? Is it easy to use this water? No, not at all. See how much time it took to make the water dirty. It was so easy. But in order to clean it, it takes so much of efforts. But still the water is not getting clean. So, what do we learn from this? that we should not spoil the water. We should not make the water cry. So, what did we learn today? That we should never waste water. We have many uses of water, and in order to live, we need water. That is clean water, so that water should not cry. Thank you.